For decades, the legend of Planet X has lingered on the fringes of astronomy, a ghostly, unseen giant hiding beyond Neptune, its presence betrayed only by the strange gravitational wobbles in the outer solar system. Scientists have hunted for it relentlessly, scanning the depths of space with the most powerful telescopes, yet no direct evidence has ever surfaced. That is, until now. In a jaw-dropping breakthrough, Google AI Studio may have just cracked one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. Hidden within the vast ocean of data from the James Webb Space Telescope, an AI-driven analysis has uncovered something extraordinary. A signal, a gravitational fingerprint, pointing to a massive planetary object lurking in the darkness. If these findings hold up, this could be the most significant planetary discovery in nearly 200 years. But here's the real shocker. What else might be hiding out there, waiting to be found? A discovery that changes everything. Imagine a planet so distant that it makes Pluto seem like a close neighbor. A planet so dark and elusive that it has evaded even the most powerful telescopes for centuries, hiding in the cold, uncharted outskirts of our solar system. If real, this mysterious world, often referred to as Planet X, wouldn't just be another rock drifting in space. It would be a massive planetary body, potentially 10 times the size of Earth, lurking in the darkness, shaping the orbits of distant celestial objects with its unseen gravitational pull. For over a century, astronomers have suspected that something massive is out there. Strange anomalies in the outer solar system, like clusters of Kuiper Belt objects moving in an unexplained formation, have hinted at the presence of an undiscovered world. Yet, despite decades of searching, no telescope, no human eye, and no mathematical model has been able to confirm its existence. That might have just changed. In a stunning technological breakthrough, Google AI Studio has done what no human astronomer could. By using cutting-edge artificial intelligence to analyze mountains of deep space data, it has detected an anomaly buried within observations from the James Webb Space Telescope. But this isn't just another passing asteroid or an unidentified celestial object. This is something much bigger. The AI detected a faint but consistent gravitational influence, a subtle yet unmistakable pull on surrounding cosmic debris, a pattern too precise to be a coincidence. If these calculations hold true, we may be looking at the first concrete evidence of Planet X. This discovery wouldn't just confirm long-standing suspicions, it would completely rewrite our understanding of the solar system. It would force astronomers to rethink planetary formation, cosmic evolution, and the very structure of our celestial neighborhood. And here's the most mind-blowing part. If this hidden planet has remained undetected for so long, what else might be lurking in the far reaches of our solar system? What other cosmic secrets are waiting to be revealed? The hunt for Planet X, a century-long mystery. The search for a hidden planet beyond Neptune isn't a new idea. In fact, it dates back more than a century. In the early 1900s, astronomers noticed strange anomalies in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Something was tugging on them, something unseen. This led to the discovery of Pluto in 1930, but Pluto was far too small to be the culprit. The anomalies remained, and so did the mystery. For decades, astronomers speculated that a massive planet, sometimes called Planet X, was lurking in the distant reaches of our solar system, exerting its gravitational influence on objects in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. But despite countless sky surveys, no telescope could find it. The hunt intensified in 2016 when astronomers Chad Trujillo and Scott Shepard made a groundbreaking discovery. They found a cluster of Kuiper Belt objects that all had something strange in common. Their orbits were tilted and elongated in a way that suggested they were being influenced by a massive, unseen object. Their calculations pointed to a planet at least 10 times the size of Earth, hiding in the shadows. This sparked a renewed global effort to find Planet X, but no telescope, not even the Hubble Space Telescope, could confirm its existence. Enter Google AI, the game changer in planetary discovery. Traditional telescopes rely on visible light or infrared imaging to detect celestial objects. But what if the planet is too dark, too distant, or too cold to be seen? That's where artificial intelligence comes in. Google AI Studio, a powerhouse in machine learning, partnered with astronomers to analyze massive datasets from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Instead of searching for visible planets, the AI was trained to look for their effects, specifically, subtle gravitational anomalies in the movement of distant objects. By sifting through decades of data and filtering out cosmic noise, the AI was able to detect patterns no human eye could see. And what it found is nothing short of extraordinary. The breakthrough. AI detects a hidden gravitational force. Rather than directly spotting a new planet, the AI detected its fingerprints, small but undeniable distortions in the orbits of Kuiper Belt objects. These objects were all being nudged in a consistent, precise manner, as if an invisible giant was lurking beyond Neptune, exerting its gravitational pull. The AI's analysis revealed a cluster of distant space rocks all exhibiting the same orbital tilt and elongation. A gravitational force strong enough to suggest a planetary body at least 10 times the mass of Earth. A highly elliptical orbit, meaning the planet spends most of its time in deep space, far beyond the reach of current telescopes. These findings perfectly align with what astronomers predicted in 2016. The calculations suggest that this object isn't a passing comet or a random anomaly. It is a planet-sized body that has been hiding in the darkness all along. Why has no one seen it until now? If this planet is so big, why has it remained undetected for so long? There are several possible explanations. 1. An extremely distant and unusual orbit. The AI's findings suggest that Planet X follows a highly elongated, tilted orbit, possibly stretching hundreds of times farther than Neptune. This means that for most of its journey, it resides in the cold, dark void where even the James Webb Space Telescope struggles to see. 2. A dark and non-reflective surface, unlike planets like Jupiter or Saturn, which reflect sunlight and make themselves visible, Planet X may have a low albedo surface, meaning it absorbs light instead of reflecting it. If its surface is covered in dark, frozen material, it could be almost invisible against the blackness of space. 3. Hidden behind cosmic noise. Deep space is filled with background radiation, distant galaxies, and other sources of interference. Even powerful telescopes like Hubble or JWST could have been looking directly at it without recognizing it as a planet. Could this be a false alarm? Not everyone is ready to declare that Planet X is real just yet. AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not perfect. Some scientists remain skeptical, pointing out that deep space anomalies can sometimes be caused by misinterpretations of data or unexpected cosmic events. However, what makes this discovery different from past false alarms is that the AI's findings match existing gravitational anomalies that have puzzled astronomers for decades. The anomalies it detected are exactly where astronomers predicted Planet X should be. The precision of the AI's detection makes the chances of this being a random fluctuation astronomically low. Scientists now have a new mission: to verify the AI's findings through direct observation. If telescopes can detect even a faint shadow, a wobble in another object's movement, or an unusual infrared glow that aligns with the AI's calculations, then Planet X's existence will be undeniable. What if Planet X is real? If confirmed, this would be one of the most significant astronomical discoveries of the 21st century. The implications are staggering. 1. Our solar system's map would need to be redrawn for centuries. We believed the solar system ended with Neptune and Pluto. But this would prove that we've been missing an entire giant planet, one that could be larger than all the terrestrial planets combined. 2. Rethinking planetary formation. Planet X's bizarre orbit suggests that it might not have formed with the other planets. Could it be a rogue planet, captured by our Sun billions of years ago? If so, how many more rogue planets are out there? 3. A new debate over Pluto's status. In 2006, Pluto was downgraded to a dwarf planet. But if we suddenly discover a massive new planet, scientists may be forced to redefine what qualifies as a planet once again. The possibility of more hidden worlds. If one giant planet has remained hidden for this long, could there be others? Some astronomers believe our solar system might contain several undiscovered objects, including smaller planets or even hidden moons. The next steps: proving Planet X exists. The AI has provided compelling evidence, but astronomers now need to confirm it. The next steps will include targeted telescope searches. Astronomers will use the AI's coordinates to direct telescopes like JWST, Hubble, and ground-based observatories to the suspected location. Infrared scans. Since Planet X might be cold and dark, telescopes will search for faint heat signatures instead of visible light. Gravitational tracking. Scientists will closely monitor Kuiper Belt objects to see if they continue to move in ways that match the AI's predictions. If confirmed, Planet X will need an official classification and name. Some have suggested naming it after an ancient deity, like Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, or Persephone, his elusive queen. But beyond its name, one question remains. What else is waiting to be discovered? If AI can find a hidden planet, what other cosmic secrets might be revealed next? And perhaps the biggest mystery of all, if a massive planet has been hiding in our solar system for so long, what else is lurking in the darkness? The dawn of a new space era. The discovery of a potential ninth planet, hidden beyond Neptune, lurking in the frozen depths of our solar system, marks a turning point in our understanding of space. For over a century, astronomers have debated the existence of Planet X, chasing clues hidden in the movements of distant celestial bodies. Now, thanks to artificial intelligence, we may finally be standing on the threshold of solving one of the greatest astronomical mysteries of our time. But this is only the beginning. The AI-powered findings have shaken the scientific community. If confirmed, they would mean that our solar system is far more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. The presence of such a massive world in the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood raises profound questions. How did this planet form? Did it originate within our solar system, or was it a rogue planet captured by the sun's gravity billions of years ago? What is its composition? Is it a gas giant like Neptune, an icy super-Earth, or something completely alien? Could it harbor moons, or even an underground ocean? Some scientists speculate that distant planets could have internal heat sources, potentially supporting microbial life beneath frozen surfaces. The new space race: who will find Planet X first? With the AI data in hand, a new race has begun. Astronomers and space agencies around the world, NASA, ESA, and independent observatories, are now directing their most powerful telescopes toward the suspected region. Some even suggest that future space probes, similar to the Voyager missions, could be launched to explore this distant world up close. But beyond the excitement of discovery, the search for Planet X is a stark reminder of how little we truly know about our own cosmic backyard. If an Earth-sized planet can remain hidden in our solar system for so long, what else might be out there? What lies beyond? If Planet X exists, it changes everything. It would mean that the current models of our solar system are incomplete. It would open the door to the possibility of even more undiscovered celestial bodies lurking in the darkness. It could lead to new theories about how planetary systems evolve, challenging what we thought we knew about space. And perhaps the most thrilling idea, if an unseen world has been quietly orbiting our sun for millennia, what else might be hiding in the void? Could this discovery be the first step toward finding even more planets, dwarf planets, or interstellar visitors? The future of AI in space exploration. The success of Google AI in detecting Planet X proves that we are entering a new era of discovery, one where human curiosity is amplified by artificial intelligence. If AI can uncover an entire hidden planet, what else could it find? Could AI detect the first signs of alien life in exoplanet atmospheres? Could it predict new black holes, rogue planets, or undiscovered galaxies? Could it rewrite our understanding of dark matter, dark energy, and the fate of the universe? This breakthrough is just the beginning of an exciting new frontier. As AI technology advances, so too will our ability to see the unseen, uncover the unknown, and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. A universe full of mysteries. For centuries, astronomers believed that the solar system ended with Neptune and Pluto. But as we now realize, space is not just bigger than we thought. It is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. And perhaps beyond the cold, dark edges of our solar system, in the vast cosmic ocean that stretches into infinity, Planet X is not the last great discovery, but only the first. The